we'll guide you through how to convert your Figma designs into a fully functional website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project that you want to convert. Make sure your design is complete and all components are properly grouped, as this will make the process smoother. Next, go to the Figma Plugins section by clicking on the Figma icon at the top left, then selecting Plugins from the drop-down menu. You'll need a plugin called Anima, which is popular for exporting designs to code. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it by selecting Browse Plugins in Community and searching for Anima. Once installed, run the plugin by selecting Plugins and clicking Anima. The Anima panel will open on the right side of your screen. You need to sign in or create an Anima account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you can choose the frame or component you want to convert. Click on Preview in Browser to see how your design looks in a web environment. Anima will generate a preview link for you. If you're satisfied with the preview, you can go ahead and export the design. Click the Code tab in the Anima panel, where you can select between HTML, CSS, React, or Vue as your export option depending on your preference or the technology stack you're working with. Once you choose your language, click Download Code. The plugin will generate a zip file with all the necessary files to bring your design to life as a website. Unzip the file and open it in your code editor, where you can make any additional tweaks or customizations needed. Finally, deploy your code to your preferred hosting service to make your website live. And there you have it, a seamless transition from Figma design to a functional website. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.